So good evening. So in the model 4, geosynthetics for roads and slopes, it's the last session number 5. So where we'll study about the slope failures, causes of slopes. Already we have studied. So in detail, so we have studied about that. So already what we have studied, the causes of slope failure. Now the method of analysis, the one is linear method and one more is non-linear methods. So linear, in that the relatively it will be very simple. Infinite slope analysis, linear failure plane analysis for the case the undrained condition phi will be 0. In the non-linear methods, method of slices necessary for irregular slope geometry and non-uniform soil condition and seepage in soil. The numerical and some of the formulas are available in the study material. You can go through this, the method of analysis here. So these are the parameters where so we have to use in the numericals. The design process of slope system, stability of the cover layer, sublayers, subsoil considering the whole system as well as the individual element, flexibility, that is ability to follow the settlement, durability of cover layer and geotextile filter, possibility of inspection of failure, easy placement and repair, low construction and maintenance cost, and overall performance. Here the 4 points, the first, second, third, fourth, the stability of cover layer, these are the important aspect where we should consider the account of the design process: stability, flexibility, durability and possibility. So where we have to check the stability of the slopes. So what the parameters will be used, what type of the load will be allowed, so is there any the earthquake zone will be there or not, we have to check that. And what is the inclination, so we have to check. It will be the very important parameter in the design aspect. The flexibility, so we have to check the settlement, so what type of the settlement will be there. Durability, so geotextile filter, cover layer, possibility in inspection of the failures. These are the 4 very important aspects in the design process. The improvement of slope stability with geosynthetics, obviously it will be, if the unstable will be there, unstable slope will be there, we can use the geosynthetics, and sometimes soil nailing will be there, so we can go with so many methods to improve the soil's slope or increase the slope stability. Several slope stabilization methods are available to improve the stability of unstable slopes. The slope stabilization methods generally reduce driving forces, increase resisting forces, or both. The advent of geosynthetic reinforcement materials has brought a new dimension of efficiency of stabilize the unstable and failed slopes by constructing various forms of structures such as reinforced slopes, retaining walls, etc., mainly due to their corrosive resistance and long-term stability. In recent years, geosynthetic reinforced slopes have provided innovative and cost-effective solutions to slope stabilization problems, particularly after a slope failure has occurred or if a steeper than safe unreinforced slope is desirable. So these are the role of reinforcement in the slope surfaces. So here the angle to inclination will be important, and these are the primary reinforcement here. This will be the potential failure, active and resistant. Increase the factor of safety for the first one, and second one, the stabilizes steepened portion of slope. It will be a loose soil where we will provide the reinforcement, and here it will be a compaction or stabilized soil where we will provide the reinforcement. Thank you. It will be a very small session where we have to complete with the improvement of the slope failure. Thank you.